We are in the Godrej Drive Meridian, and this is the main road. This is the main road. This is connecting to Delhi, and this road will connect to Manesar side. And this is the entry of the Godrej Meridian. This is the entry of Godrej Meridian. And you can see the construction going at the full fledged. Thank you. See the Godrej Meridian from the main road. The construction going at the full fledged Godrej Meridian the drive, and this is the main road connecting to Gurgaon. And this is the construction status. See, all the buildings are going on. This is the Godrej Meridian. Work at the full fledged over here. Nice construction of 2, 3 and 4 BHKs. Over here. And it will be ready in some time. Godrej Meridian. This is the construction status of the just three towers are going on. Full construction at full swing over here. This is the main sector road of sector 106, and this is the connect. The road will connect to other parts of Gurgaon. And this is the construction status. Hi, this is the construction status of the Godrej Meridian, sector 106 Gurgaon. Very nice construction going on at the full fledged. एंड काफ़ी तेज़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन आप देख सकते हैं. क्रेन लगी हुई है, सारी चीज़ें चल रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज द सर्विस रोड. This is Godrej Meridian, sector 106 Gurgaon.
Godrej Meridian, sector 106 Gurgaon.
Okay.
Right. This is the entry. जहाँ से अभी आप अंदर
Entry हुआ है.
Right.
Okay.
So this 3 acres of area is the clubhouse area.
Clubhouse का हो गया. Okay.
This is one access to the project. We have another access from 60 meters wide road.
60 meters से. Okay.
And the third access is from 24 meters wide road.
24 meters से आपका थर्ड एक्सेस रहेगा. ओके.
ठीक है. Overall land size of the project is 15 acres.
15 एकर्स का टोटल प्रोजेक्ट है.
15 acres.
ओके.
And there are only 7 towers.
7 टावर से 15 एकर्स.
7 towers and 754 apartments.
754 अपार्टमेंट्स. ग्रेट. एंड कितनी फ्लोर्स है टावर्स के?
So Iconic 1 and Iconic 2, these are 34-story towers.
34 story towers. Okay.
These are the tallest towers on expressway.
Okay.
And then tower number 1, tower number 5 and 6, these are 23-story.
Okay.
And tower number 2, tower number 7, these are 19-story.
19 है, 34 है and
23.
23. Okay.
Right, so 86% of the total project is open. Open spaces are there in 86% and only 14% is under construction period.
86% is open and 14% construction area.
Absolutely. तो जितने
Okay,
भी
great.
टावर्स आप देख रहे हैं, ऑल दी टावर्स आर स्टैंड अलोन टावर्स, दूसरे से डिस्टेंस पे हैं. इट इंश्योर्स कि आपका सनलाइट, एयर, वेंटिलेशन, नेचुरल लाइट किसी भी यूनिट में ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं होता. एवरी यूनिट इज अ कॉर्नर यूनिट और 3 साइड ओपन है.
3 side open.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
ठीक है. सो दीज आर प्लेस्ड इन एन आर्क शेप सो दैट किसी भी एक टावर का शेडो दूसरे टावर के ऊपर नहीं है.
Okay.
So the area which you see here, this is the 1.3 kilometers of jogging and cycling track.
1.3 kilometers.
Yes.
Okay.
This area which you see, this is 1.5 acres of forest grove area.
1.5 acres.
1.5
काफी बड़ा
acres
होता
of
है.
forest grove area.
Okay.
And the highlight of the project is we have a 66,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is the largest clubhouse of Delhi NCR.
66,000 square feet. Okay.
So we have sporting amenities in the project. We have two tennis courts,
2 tennis courts हैं. Okay.
and we have got 4 badminton courts.
Hmm.
We have got 2 basketball courts.
Okay.
We have got a skating rink.
Okay.
Right, we have got a pets park. We have got the kids play area.
किड्स प्ले एरिया भी है आपका. ओके. इसको हम लोग और थोड़ा क्लोजली ले लेते हैं. सो दिस इज द एंट्री पॉइंट फ्रॉम वी हैव एंटर्ड द प्रोजेक्ट. वी आर हियर. Then we have got the clubhouse that is of around 66,000 square feet. That is the Delhi NCR's largest clubhouse. Then this is the flash EWS one. Then the iconic towers. These are of 30th story. Iconic tower 1 and iconic tower 2. Then we have got tower 1 is there over here and tower 2 is there. Tower 2 is there. So full of greeneries. And in future development we have got tower 5, tower 6. So it is also greenery, you can see greenery built. And we have got 3 access roads. One is from this way, second one is that, and third is this one. Fine. So these are the, we have got jogging track of, let's say, around more than 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers out, and full of greeneries of around 14% is of construction and 86% of greeneries. So you can see the iconic tower is strategically located, and iconic tower 1 is also there. This is 38 floors building, and it is the tallest tower in Dwarka Exercise site. Then and tower 2 and tower 1 is also there. You can see it is fully surrounded by greeneries, and this is the how it is constructed. EWS flags are also there, satellite, and this is the direction. The left is the, below is the north, and above it is south. Clubhouse, you can see it will come up. Thank you very much. This is Godrej Meridian model flat. This is 3 BHK of 1855 square feet. You can see the configuration are written over here. This is the unit 3 BHK type C, and carpet area is around 104 square meter, and unit balcony is 22.25 square meter. You can see this is the entry. We enter into the room. This is the living and dining. Then this is the kitchen. After that we have got one common washroom, and we have got this रूम. ये रूम रहेगा आपका, और उसके साइड में आप अगर इस तरफ आते हैं, ये पैसेज है, इसके पैसेज से आते हैं तो दिस रूम इज़ वन ऑफ दी, और रूम है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे और एक वॉशरूम रहेगा आपका. राइट हैंड साइड में आते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ एक रूम है और उसके बगल में एक अटैच वॉशरूम रहेगा. एंड दिस इज द बैल्कनी वी हैव गॉट. This is the layout of this 1855 3 BHK, and it is in scale. This is the 1855 layout. Then we have got another 1855 flat. You can see in this area, this unique type area, and its unit carpet area is 102.97. Balcony is 24 square meter. Total carpet is 127. We are entering from here. This is the kitchen. Then we have got the living and dining, big living and dining. This is the bathroom, and this is the and then we have got one room over here. This is one of the rooms, and we have got the attached washroom over here. This is another room, and we have got the attached washroom over here, and we have got the balcony. This is also scales in meters. Is like this. These are all 3 BHK dimensions. So the living and dining is quite nice, and we have got this room, and this room is also very much good, spacious enough. And in this room you have got the attached washroom, and the balcony is there. In Godrej Meridian, this is 2002 square feet, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus utility, you can say. The unit carpet area of 113.97 and 24 square meters. The total carpet area is this much. Then we are entering the house from here. Then this is a common washroom, you can say. This is a living and dining. Again, this is one of the parts of another utility room, you can say. Sorry, it's a kitchen actually. It's a kitchen with an utility area. Then we have got one room, and we have got a attached washroom as well. This is one of the rooms with attached washroom, and we have a small balcony over here. And then here we have got another living room, and we have got this room with attached washroom. So it's nicely designed, 3 BHK plus utility area. Hi, this is Godrej Meridian. This is 4 BHK of 2720 square feet. 2720 square feet, yeah. And we have got this one. Unit carpet area of this one, and balcony of 34 square meters. Total carpet is 188.30. Then this is the structure, and we have got this is the living and dining, big living and dining. Then we have got the common washroom, and this is one of the rooms. This is another room with attached washroom. This is the third room. This has also got the washroom, and this is the area, big area over here, and side is the balcony part. This is the balcony part, and this is the small area of utility area, you can say. This is the utility area with the washroom attached. So nice 4 BHK, big 4 BHK. Hi, this is the clubhouse of Godrej Meridian, Sector 106, Gurgaon. See, this is the big pool you are looking at. There is the big swimming pool. Then you can see this one. There is something like gym, sauna and spa. Then we have got the greeneries all around. We have got tennis court surrounded by greeneries and all. You can see resting rooms and all. then again there is a tennis court, and there is a rooftop, something like swimming type of thing. And we have got gym, we have got resting space, we have got clubhouse, and everything in proper space. The rooftop also we have got walking areas and all, and the greeneries at the top as well. It is the one of the biggest clubhouses of Delhi NCR region, and you can see how it will be brilliantly will be made, and you can see all the greeneries to surround with. This will be the entry to the club. Entry to the club will be in this way, and this is a circular path. You can see the greeneries. This way the club will look like.